Today I am going to show you all how to make chicken keema and matar veg, minced chicken meat with peas. So please note down the ingredients for this. Here I have taken half a kg 500 grams of minced chicken meat. This is keema. 3 to 4 chopped onions, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger, grated or crushed ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic, chopped or crushed. Here 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4-5 cloves. This is cinnamon sticks, this is dalchini, cloves is long, and 2-3 crushed green cardamoms, that is choti ilaichi. Here I have 2 bay leaves, that is tej patta, 2 to 3 green chilies, lemon juice of 1 to 1.5 lemon. Then here we have salt to taste, red chili powder according to taste, then cumin seeds, this is jeera, dhania powder, coriander powder. Then here we have turmeric powder, this is haldi powder, 1/4 to half a teaspoon. Then here we have dry fenugreek leaves, this is kasuri methi. Then tomato puree of 3 to 4 tomatoes, green peas boiled 1 cup, and here I have some fresh green coriander for garnishing.